So, good morning students. Today we'll discuss about the conversion of your exercise haloalkanes and haloarenes. Last video already I have discussed here about this conversion. 10.11 is over. Now I'm discussing about 10.19. 20 conversions are there, and among them some are already over. So we'll start now. First one. Okay. I can start from here. First one, what is that? Propene. 1 minute. Propene 2. Propane 1 all. Okay. So you can see here hydroxyl group is coming here. And this is actually double bond structure. So definitely in double bond structure we can add, we can go for addition. And now one position it is all is coming, and definitely that will be going for Markov-Nikov, anti-Markov-Nikov addition. That is understood now. So now first we are coming CH3, CH double bond CH2. Now if we are adding hydrogen bromide here, or hydrogen bromide in presence of peroxide, and there we are going for which one? Anti-Markov-Nikov addition. Clear now. So where the Br will be added here and H will be added here, just opposite. So now CH3, CH2, CH2, Br over now. So 1 bromo and propane. Clear. Now, so next step is easy one. So bromine will be replaced by which one? OH. That is again the nucleophilic substitution reaction, and actually hydrolysis also we can say, but in presence of which one? Aqueous KOH. That is not alcoholic KOH, it is aqueous KH. Heat is here, and as well as this is called hydrolysis. And now, so this CH3, CH2, CH2 and OH. So propane 1 all is over. Propane 1 all is over. Okay, next one we are coming for which one? Second cannot be there. Second is here. So second is what? Ethanol to but 1-ine. Already it is over. This is over here, I think. Here it is over. Ethanol to but-1-ine. Ethanol to but-1-ine. So first one is over. Already we have discussed. Leave it. Next one. Third one. So third one is, okay, very easy again. 1 bromopropane. Dekho. Just only it is a difference of which one? Position. 2 bromo propane. So at that condition what you have to do? So again, so first we are writing here bromopropane condition. So CH3, CH2, CH2 and Br over 1 bromopropane is over. Okay. Now propane is over. So now we have to convert it into two position. Two position में bromine आना चाहिए. So first of all we have to convert it into a propene structure. Then propene के साथ आपको क्या करना है? Markov-Nikov addition. तभी जाके second position में क्या हो जाएगा? Bromine will be added. So first you have to convert it into propene. So easy one. What you have to do there? Alcoholic KOH, heat, and what is coming here? Dehydrohalogenation. Why it is called dehydrohalogenation? Halogen and hydrogen. Both are removed from here. So what will be coming here? CH3, CH, hydrogen is removed from here, bromine is from here, double bond CH2. So propene. Now very easy one. Now what we have to add? Now HBr we have to add, addition reaction will be coming, and it is Markov-Nikov addition. Kyunki why? Because the Br should be added here. That's why 2 bromopropane will be coming. So CH3, CH, Br, and it is coming CH3. Hydrogen will be added here. So this is called actually which one? 2 bromopropane condition is over now. 2 bromopropane. Next, third one over. Fourth one is what here? Fourth is toluene to benzyl alcohol. I think it is over. Toluene to benzyl alcohol. Toluene to benzyl alcohol is over. Okay. So next one we are coming for Next, fourth one is over. Fifth one. So fifth one is coming as a benzene to 4-bromo. It is over. It is very easy. Benzene to what is that? 4-bromo. Para condition is coming. Nitrobenzene. 4-bromo nitrobenzene. Over now. तो अभी now we are coming easy one. ये तो understood है क्या करना है आपको. So it is coming benzene. So benzene को 4-bromo condition में nitro 4-bromo and nitro. So what we should add first? First we have to add bromine because it is electron giving, and as it is electron giving, so at nitro position means para position nitro group can be added. But अगर आप nitro group को add कर दोगे पहले तो क्या होगा, electron withdrawing, so meta position में add हो जाएगा bromine. So definitely first we have to add which one? Bromine. And what is the condition for adding condition? Bromine FeBr3 है ना. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? electrophilic substitution. Now what we have to add here? We are adding the bromine in where? In this, we can say, aromatic ring. So now it is coming bromine. So bromine is added. Bromine is electron donating. So now if we are going for nitration, in presence of concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4, so now nitro group will be added where? Nitro group will be added in so nitro group is added here in para position. Okay, so now what is the product coming here? 4-bromo and nitrobenzene. Over now. Next one, fifth one over. Sixth. What is sixth one coming here? Sixth one is benzyl alcohol. Why it is not coming properly? It is over. Benzyl alcohol 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. So first if we are drawing this one, so first I am drawing this one, benzyl alcohol. So benzyl alcohol means which one here? CH2OH. And we have to convert it into 2 position with phenyl, and it is coming about the CH2COOH. Okay, 1, 2 is phenyl and ethanoic acid. So you have to convert. It is now understood. So this OH means 1 carbon is more. So definitely first of all we have to add here cyanide. So to add here cyanide, we have to first convert it into halogen, because halogen to cyanide is very easy process. Halogen to convert it to cyanide is very easy process. So first we are converting it. First we are converting CH2OH to OH to chloride. So this is coming very easy process. Thionyl chloride and minus SO2 minus HCl. So what is coming now? It is coming CH2Cl, benzyl chloride. This is called benzyl chloride. Now we are adding which one here? Potassium cyanide. Potassium cyanide we are adding here. So definitely this chloride will be converted into which one? Cyanide. So potassium cyanide if you are adding, and ethyl alcohol ki if you are presenting in presence of this one, so it is coming CH2CN. So it is coming about the benzyl cyanide. Bas iske baad next one is the easy one. Benzyl cyanide is converted into by hydrolysis process. So now benzyl cyanide CH2CN is by hydrolysis, H plus H2O, that is called hydrolysis. So now this cyanide will be converted into acid. So CH2COOH 1 2. So 2 position में phenyl and ethanoic acid. Over now. Next one. Next is which one here? Ethanol to propanenitrile. Okay, that is also easy one. Ethanol to ethanol to propane propane, where it is propane nitrile, propane nitrile. Okay, so ethanol to propane nitrile, it is coming here. So first of all, ethanol we have to draw here CH3 CH2OH, है ना. So propane nitrile means we have to add the cyanide, है ना, and cyanide we should add in presence of potassium cyanide. That only, then only it will be coming to nitrile. Otherwise it will be coming as which one, isocyanide, है ना. तो nitrile मतलब CN condition. तो CH3 CH2OH फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू व्हिच वन, हेलो एल्केन में कन्वर्ट करना है तो फॉस्फोरस की प्रेजेंस में या तो SOCl2 आप डाल सकते हो कुछ भी, लेकिन आयोडीन इज अ गुड लिविंग वन. सो वी आर कमिंग अबाउट द CH3 CH2I. Now this is haloalkane is over, means it is coming here iodoethane. This is iodoethane. Next iodoethane is converted into which one, आपको cyanide चाहिए. So now we have to add here potassium cyanide. Okay, so potassium cyanide if you are adding here in presence of which one, so it is also a ambient nucleophile. Then also as we are adding potassium cyanide, तो cyanide के हिसाब से ये add हो जाएगा. तो CH3 CH2CN. So what is the name here? Propane nitrile. Clear now? So this is over now. Next one is which one here? 8.1 is what here? Aniline to chlorobenzene. Aniline to chlorobenzene. Okay, so aniline to chlorobenzene. So first one we are drawing the which structure here? We are drawing here aniline structure. This is known as aniline. So first one we have to convert into sodium nitrite and NO2HCl, and it is coming about the diazotization, and it is converted into which one? Benzene diazonium chloride, benzene N plus triple bond N Cl minus. This is called benzene diazonium chloride, है ना. So now this is benzene, it's okay now, and it is actually coming from, we are NaNO2HCl in presence of NaNO2HCl converted into benzene diazonium chloride, and then it is easy one, Sunmire reaction. So we are actually converted into Cu, we have to convert into chloride, है ना. So this is CuCl, Q plus chloride in presence of HCl, and this is called Sunmire reaction, and there it is actually converted into chlorobenzene. So chlorobenzene is over. So this is Sunmire reaction, and to go for Sunmire reaction we have to first convert into diazonium chloride condition, and for that we need NaNO2HCl. That's all. Next one we are coming for, now what is the next one here? 2-chlorobutane 2,3,4-dimethyl hexane. अच्छा, 2-chlorobutane to which one? 3,4, अच्छा 3,4-dimethyl hexane. So first one I am drawing 2-chlorobutane here. So it is coming butane position CH3 CHCl, 2 position में chlorine, and it is coming CH2 CH3. So 2-chlorobutane. So is now okay. So this one we are adding here 2Na plus, again it is coming CH3 CHCl, because it is hexane is coming. So with reaction we have to go for CH2 CH3. So now this CH3, this 2Na and this Cl portion means now this CH3 will be coming in branching. This CH3 will be coming in branching, and this Cl and 2Na and this Cl will be released as 2NaCl. So now what is the condition happening there? So this one will be added with this one, and now I am keeping it CH3 CH2 CH, again CH3 is in branching क्योंकि इसके बाद ही इसको ऐड करना है. So now again it is coming CH3, again CH2, again CH3. So you can see here 3 4. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now look at here, 3 4 dimethyl, 3 4 dimethyl and hexane. Over now, 3 4 dimethyl hexane. Over. Next one is coming for the 10th one. What is the 10th one here? 2 methyl 1 propane, 2 methyl 1 propane, and it is converted into 2 chloro, and again 2 methyl propane. Two methyl 1 propene. Okay, so now I am going for 2 propene. So C and C, double bond CH2, and one position of propane is over now. It is coming 2 methyl and it is coming CH3. Okay, so 2 methyl and 1 propene, 2 methyl and 1 propene. नाउ इसको आपको कन्वर्ट किस में करना है? 2 क्लोरो 2 मिथाइल, और इट इज कमिंग एज अ प्रोपेन. दैट्स ऑल, दैट इज ओनली एडिशन. ओके, मार्कोव-निकोव एडिशन, HCl, मार्कोव-निकोव एडिशन. तो यहाँ पे HCl इज कमिंग हियर, 2 पोजिशन में क्लोरीन इज कमिंग हियर बिकॉज हेयर सब्स्टिट्यूशन इज मोर एंड H is coming here. Over now, next one is coming. What is the next one? 11th one, ethyl chloride to propanoic acid. Ethyl chloride to propanoic acid. Ethyl chloride to propanoic acid. Okay, first I am writing here CH3 CH2 Cl, ethyl chloride. तो आपको और एक कार्बन चाहिए, तो डेफिनेटली इसको साइनाइड से आपको कन्वर्ट करना है इथाइल अल्कोहल की प्रेजेंस में. तो CH3 CH2 CN. Over, cyanide is over now. Now that's okay. Now that you have to go for hydrolysis, H plus H2, and it is called about the hydrolysis. So this CN will be converted into CHH. Over now. So it is propanoic acid is over. Next one is coming about the, what is coming? But1 to butyl iodide. So but1 into N-butyl iodide, है ना. So first I am writing here the formula but1. Over now, but1. Now we have to convert it into N-butyl iodide, normal butyl condition, normal butyl iodide. So definitely first we have to convert into butane condition. So we have to add an N-butyl iodide, means iodine is coming at the last. Okay, so now it is coming at the last, so definitely anti-Markovnikov addition, and iodide is coming here. So first we are adding HBr, क्योंकि adding तो simply add नहीं कर सकते HBr, और it is coming as a peroxide condition, peroxide anti-Markovnikov addition. Okay, so now it is coming CH3 CH2 and bromine. Over now. Now bromine is converted into iodine. So which reaction we should go for? Finkelstein reaction, है ना. bromine is going for iodine and fluorine, है ना. iodine के लिए Finkelstein and fluorine के लिए Schwarz reaction. So now iodine के लिए what we need here sodium iodide in presence of acetone, and it is known as Finkelstein reaction. Okay, and now it is coming CH3 CH2 and it is but condition, so one more CH2 will be coming here, so CH2 and I. Over now, next one is coming for next one is 2 chloropropane to 1 propanol. अच्छा, again one position is coming. 2 chloropropane to 1 propanol. So first you have to convert it into again the dehydrohalogenation, मतलब propene में convert करो, फिर उसको peroxide के presence में क्या ऐड करना है ना, bromine ऐड करना है. Next you have to bromine to convert it into aqueous KOH की presence में we are converting into OH. That's all. So just easy one again, just I am doing that one. So 2 CH position में chlorine आ जाएगा and this is coming CH3. तो 2 chloropropane. Okay, and now we have to convert it is aqueous KOH and dehydrohalogenation. Heat is also there. Genation. So what is coming now? CH3 and CH double bond CH2 over. Now propane is over. Now it is coming about the propane is over. Now we have to convert it into which one now? It is peroxide adding HBr peroxide and anti-Markovnikov. So now what is coming? CH3 and CH2. And it is coming CH2Br. So last position bromine is coming, and now it is aqueous KOH, and this is coming substitution again, nucleophilic substitution, nucleophilic substitution. So it is coming CH3, CH2, CH2OH over. So now 1 propanol is completed. Now next one is coming which one now? It is coming isopropyl alcohol to iodoform. Achha, this isopropyl alcohol to iodoform, that is actually a iodoform reaction. That is also we have to read the next chapter. So we can omit here also, otherwise you can write down. Only simple one step named reaction is there, and this is called iodoform haloform reaction. Actually in that reaction we need here sodium hydroxide and iodine. So simply you can write down here CH3 CH isopropyl alcohol, CH3 there, and plus 4I2 plus NaOH, 6 NaOH. It's converted into, these are the ingredients here, and this is called actually iodoform reaction, and simply you have to give the heat here. And what is coming now? CHI3. This is called iodoform. Simply named reaction it is CH3 COONA, and plus it is alcohol. In alcohol chapter no, you have to read it properly, and it is coming about the okay. Next one is coming for chlorobenzene to paranitrophenol. So para position में nitro group, तो chlorine is there ना, so already chlorine is there, so electron donating, तो definitely हम इसको nitration कर देते हैं. So we are just going for nitration here, concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Okay, and it is now converted into which one? It is converted into nitro, NO2 over now. So it is paranitro, chlorobenzene is over, and now so para-chloro, because alphabetically it will be coming first, and nitrobenzene over now. Okay, now just what is you have to change here? Phenol. Chlorine is converted into phenol. So what you have to do there? 15% NaOH, the 15% NaOH and 433 Kelvin dilute HCl presence में. So it is converted into Cl is replaced by which one? Because substitution is not easy here, nucleophilic substitution. So we need here some conditions. So it is coming about the OH and para. Now it is coming para nitrophenol over now. Next it is coming next one, which one? Next what is coming here now? 2 bromopropane to 1 bromopropane. That you can do actually. 2 bromopropane to 1 bromo, it will be coming as hyphen bromopropane. Okay, you also do this one, that is only simply it is first alcoholic KOH से इसको CH3 CH Br CH3 alcoholic KOH है ना, dehydrohalogenation. So what is coming? CH3 CH double bond CH2 propane, and now we are adding which one? One, so it is HBr and peroxide है ना, peroxide, and it is anti-Markovnikov. So that's why it is coming CH3 CH2 and CH2 Br. Over now. Next one. What is the next one here? Chloroethane to butane. अच्छा, that is also very easy. Chloroethane मतलब CH3 CH2 chloroethane Cl and plus 2 Na कर देते हैं, plus Cl plus CH2 plus CH3 Cl CH2 CH3. So this Cl, this Na and this Cl is converted into 2 NaCl is removed from here, and now CH3 CH2 CH2 CH3. Over now है ना. तो ये कन्वर्ट हो गए किसमें कन्वर्ट हो गए? ब्यूटेन में. तो क्लोरोइथेन क्लोरोइथेन. ओवर. नेक्स्ट वन वी आर कमिंग फॉर benzene. अच्छा, that is also over. Benzene to diphenyl previously already you have done है ना. Next one is coming tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, to convert it into which one? Isobutyl bromide. Isobutyl. अच्छा, isobutyl bromide. तो इसमें isobutyl bromide is there. So first of all we have to draw tertiary and butyl bromide. तो first of dehydrohalogenation alcoholic KOH है ना. So we have to convert it into which one? Alcoholic KOH. So CH3 and C, and here it is CH3 and this one hydrogen and bromine. So definitely double bond CH2. Over. Now isobutyl bromide. तो isobutyl condition is here and bromide here it will be added. So now HBr है ना, peroxide anti Markovnikov addition. So CH3 CH3 and it is coming about the it is coming about the CH2 Br. Over now CH. So now this is over. So it is coming isobutyl bromide is over now. Now next one is coming, last one is which one here? Aniline NH2. और इसको कन्वर्ट किस में करना है? अच्छा, दैट इज ऑल्सो नेम रिएक्शन. आइसोसाइनेट में कन्वर्ट करना है. इट इज ऑल्सो यू हैव टू लर्न इन अमीन चैप्टर. सो इट इज एक्चुअली क्लोरोफॉर्म इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म एंड KOH. दिस इज द टू कंडीशन and we can convert the NH2 to, it is called isocyanide condition है ना. It is called isocyanide conditions. यहाँ पे ACN नहीं आएगा, N triple bond C. Isocyanide condition is coming and that is actually called the phenyl isocyanate. This is also named reaction. It is known as actually carbylamine reaction. Okay, this also you will learn afterwards. Phenyl isocyanide and then KCl and H2O, KCl and plus H2.